Hi guys, the starting level in Candy Crush Jelly is 2079. That's a purple worm level. So today is the Super Bowl. I'm rooting for nobody because Denver Broncos aren't playing. I only root for the Denver Broncos. So yeah. We are going to my aunt's house, so that will be fun. I haven't seen anyone for quite a while. Thanks to COVID and surgeries and that stuff. I'm going to go play Candy Crush Jelly. Welcome to the vlog. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So I just got done watching 101 Dalmatians the series. Well, okay, the first 2 episodes. I don't remember the movie that well. It's been forever since I've seen it, if I even have seen it. My cousin who I hung out with growing up was absolutely obsessed with Dalmatians when she was little. I have 3 cousins who are around my age. One is a little bit younger, but we were basically best friends. I used to go to their house because our older cousins and aunt used to babysit us together, and yeah, it was great. We didn't even get addicted to iPads. The 90s were awesome. We got dirty and we didn't even cry. I feel like kids don't know how to play in the dirt. Maybe it's just me. I'm not sure. So yeah. I'm going to go to something, and that's all, folks. cold outside and it is supposedly going to snow this week, so hopefully fingers crossed, it's going to snow, preferably 2 to 6 inches on the ground, I'm just saying. I had no characters to level up yesterday in the Disney Magic Kingdoms game, and there wasn't a yellow circle on the character book. It was weird. I didn't like it, but luckily, I got enough things to level someone up, and now it's back, so I'm happy. I have no idea what kind of level 1 I'm on in Candy Crush Jelly. I played it early this morning, so I forgot. I'm going to go to something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. So it felt like snow yesterday when my aunt and I went on a walk. So that's a good sign that snow is going to happen. But I don't know if it's actually going to snow. So we shall see. I hate living where I live because it's nearly impossible to predict snow here. So I finally have Pocahontas and Miko to the point where I have ready they have to be in order to get the Emperor's New Groove content. So I think it's close. So I'm excited. I wonder what the next event is going to be. Bring it on. I am on a worm level in Candy Crush Jelly. So yeah. So I'm gonna go to something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys, the ending level in Candy Crush Jelly is 2099. And that's a red worm level with cotton candy, so yeah. I hope the lighting is okay. We don't have power, but I have my mom's hotspot I normally use when we go camping. So I have all the movies and games. Laugh out loud. Currently it's 28 degrees outside, which means it should be snowing, but it's not snow. At least not yet. Supposedly it's supposed to snow at 5, but I don't know, but it better snow. Why is it always a Friday that we lose power? Doesn't the universe know that Fridays are my busiest day? Christmas was a Friday too, and we didn't have power? And it was out for hours. Well, the estimated time to get power back is 7 p.m., so I hope they will get power up and running this evening. Otherwise this is going to turn into a 2-week vlog, laugh out loud. So yeah, luckily I have all the warm stuff. It's icy outside, and the ice is breaking all the branches on trees. The last time this happened was the 2nd of December of 2008, that was a very long icy time. I think it lasted for like 2 weeks or something. So I was a senior in high school. And yeah. So that was a weird thing. So we shall see. I am going to go to something. Hi guys, the starting level in Candy Crush Jelly is 2104. It's a green worm level, we still don't have power, so we are going to take a drive and see all the damage. Happy Valentine's Day, and that's all, folks. Hi guys, so day 3 without power, it's extremely boring. Supposedly they said we have power tonight, but I'm not even holding my breath anymore. I want on my desktop computer because the desk is the most comfortable spot for me, and it doesn't make my back hurt. I do have a bar for the wheelchair, and I have my tray board that both came with this wheelchair. I love them both, but it's not the same, so yeah, I feel like this is the 90s but colder. And I have a tablet with a talking app. I did have a computer in the 90s, but it wasn't portable. Anyway, I'm going to eat, and that's all, folks. Hi guys, we have power back, so I'm going to go play on my desktop computer for the first time in forever. I think I might be able to use my hotspot on my computer. So hopefully. I don't know if there is anything new happening in the Disney Magic Kingdoms game. I hope there's something coming because I need more quests. I'm on the worm level. So I'm going to do something on my desktop computer and give my tablet a good rest because it has been on since Friday non-stop. And that's all, folks. Hi guys, so everyone is outside cleaning up after the storm. I would help, but I'd get muddy and my wheelchair would get stuck because the ground is completely muddy. I'm better off in the house. But part of me wants to go help so bad. Being in a wheelchair is definitely a double-edged sword. So I'm watching my little cousins help their grandparents, my aunt and uncle, also my neighbors. Laugh out loud. I haven't seen them much since COVID started. I cannot believe it's already been almost an entire year. This time last year, I was in that freaking thumb brace probably wondering whether or not I wanted surgery. And 12 months later, I've had surgery and I've had my appendix burst twice, and I watched all of the trees break on my street. It's amazing to think about. I am going to get on my computer because I have YouTube videos to watch. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So today I haven't heard a chainsaw. Probably because it's raining, but yeah. The power blinked earlier and it was a bit scary. Last night, my wheelchair died. I had charged it with the generator because the power was out, and apparently it wasn't quite enough, which I didn't even think about until I was outside down the road at my aunt's house. I couldn't make it up her driveway. Surprisingly, nobody stopped to see if I needed help. Wish I get any other time. But I was fine. I got home with my mom's help, and then when I got into my room to charge my wheelchair, the internet went out, so I read my book and played some games that don't require internet. Fortunately, Chicago Med is on Hulu. The cable was out as well. So I'm going to get on my computer and do something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys, the final ending level in Candy Crush Jelly is 2114, and that's the green worm level. What a crazy 2 weeks. Oh my goodness guys. I hope I will never go through that again. It would have been okay if I didn't have to rely on electricity, but I had my tablet, my wheelchair, which is my freedom, and I couldn't imagine what people like me went through before we had all of the electronic devices to help. Fortunately for people who need wheelchairs and devices to communicate, the power doesn't go off for days that often anymore. I would have gone crazy if I couldn't charge my tablet and my wheelchair, so yeah. Thumbs up and subscribe, check out my Instagram. And that's all, folks.